Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how you can share your Notability recordings. So let's get straight into it. First I will select this my note right here, and now I can make a recording. So let's go and tap on the microphone right here, and now this thing started to record what I'm saying. So let's say if I read I have to be honest with you, this is a really good idea. Now I will stop the recording like so, and if I click right here uh, at the top, you will see this uh, play button right here. Now I get here some voice, and you will see three dots right over here. I will voice boost like so, and this is my recording. Now I can edit also and delete something if I want, and yeah, that's it. Now what we can do, we can share now this note with others. And how can we do that? So we can do that like that. If we go here to the right top corner and select this screen right here, monitor, and here you will see option, export options, or create a link. So we can create a link or also quick export. So we can create a link. This will make a link, and then we can share it with some peoples. Also, we can export options. So here we can select as PDF, Note, JPEG, PNG, and also we can enable include audio recordings. So now that we enable this option, when we export, we will get also this audio recording which we record earlier. So if I will select, and now we can export that. So this is basically it, how you can share your recordings from Notability. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.